Hey, what's up, everybody? Kodi Fire dropping a video today on our new update. Ran a few add-on updates, cleaned out some old stuff. So this is version 2.0.10. After this, it'll be start hitting the 3 point, etc. Versions depending on the updates. But keeping it simple, and for starters, pretty much set this up from like best to I guess like whatever works really well to kind of well, etc. But we try to get the most updates on here to get you going. And for example, on Uranus is over here. You click on it, and the listings are there. Of course, you can change the view if you like. You can do in progress, whatever you're watching prior, featured. These are all the add-ons that seem to be working pretty good at the moment. Let's mute this. Here we'll click on this store, and again, like I said, we just took out the old stuff, whatever was not working, got this new stuff going here, and like I said, hopefully it gets the job done. We got a lot of things that are in the works. We're still trying to figure a few things out. There are going to be more website updates on the Kodifire.tv, and we're trying to see what direction we're going to take things into. Maybe possibly doing the add-on here pretty soon as I get a little bit more time, and it'll be a Kodi Fire add-on itself. I'm not sure of the name yet, what kind of add-on, but that'll be in the works here pretty soon as I get more time, and that way it eliminates the fact to be going to be searching for various add-ons, and that way I can just focus on the add-on that works, and we can have a smallest build possible, which will save you space on your device, that you'll run better, and so on. Like I said, for example, you have these kind of add-ons and it takes a while to do things, and we have to wait for others, versus if we just focus on our own add-on, it'll be a pretty good way to maintain things. Okay, so that works, and I just wanted to touch on that briefly. What else here we have? So the documentaries are there. Excuse me, I have a little stuffy. So the documentary series, I think, is using, I'm not sure why these things are taking a long time. Okay, it is the dog's bollocks, and you can click on there. Again, that's the documentary. In theaters is using let's see here, Neptune Rising. Still haven't seen Jurassic Park. Ant-Man, heard it's pretty good. Incredibles 2, Sicario 2, The Purge, and just some of the few movies that are out there right now. What else here? So the box sets, that also got revised. As far as to use this add-on, you can go on there. And what else is here? Maverick movies, Arrivals, or I should say new Arrivals. We'll fix that, but not a big issue. This is in Gaia. And let's see here, Monster Munch, most popular. I believe that is using Placenta. Placenta seems to be working pretty well. And again, like I said, it's just whatever works for you. You can also hit the widget on top up here. You push up, you'll see all the different ones. You can click on this movie, for example, through Triangulum. It shows you how many HD, how many SD versions are there as well. And still searching. Okay, that seems to be the only one. You click on it, and again, not available. It's probably just the link, but you can change that in here. You can do others. Let's try this one here. Yeah, see, this one's pulling more links, even at 1080. We'll just check this out really quick. And again, I know some people have issues on playback, but that's a huge factor. What depends on all your network connection, how much speed you have. There's tons of factors. You just can't blame it 100% strictly on Kodi, or the links to how good are the links that it's pulling from. So like I said, you got to try and see whatever works for you in general, and whatever comes up. I mean, like, these all come up. I'm not using no real debrid, none of that stuff. There is a VPN, which I'm gonna start probably that'll be the next video, and that's IP Vanish. That's one we utilize a lot too for customers throughout the United States and across the country. We have that available. I can put a code down there. You can check it out, and I will be doing a demo of that pretty soon here. So that's been updated. Joker Sports, since Sports Devil has been pretty much crap, and it's hard to keep a good Sports Devil going. You can go on here, and like this is the first time I'm trying this. I'm not too sure how this plays out, but we threw it on there. Okay, so excuse me here, that does not work. We'll try sports channels. We'll see. We'll try this one again. I don't want to spend too much time on it, and yeah, I gotta mess with this one, but it's there. If you can get it to work, it may work differently. Different category. We'll try this one right here. IPTV Sports. I know there's a big fight tonight. Well, I mean, it's Manny. Okay, so this one does work. Come up. Manny Pacquiao versus someone, I forgot who else, but that is on tonight as well. So that's Joker Sports. Of course, KS Sports Paid. That's another service we have. Sports Devil, UK Sports. But for going back to this one, I think right now it allows you 4 devices. The pricing, we'll have it set on IPTV.Kodifire.tv. You can go on there, check out the details, and that is the gold package. And you can go on there, and I think you can utilize 4 devices right now. I'm not too sure, for a fairly reasonable price. Otherwise, we do offer the add-ons here for Gears TV. We do sell Gears TV and Reloaded TV as well, and Streams or Us is enabled on here. So you can just click on it, and you can click movies. I think they have not updated everything else, but you can go on there, and that's another way to watch, movies on here. What else here? I think all these pretty much stay the same. Of course, YouTube's on there. You can do the maintenance, speed test, check for the build update. So if you have not received the notification yet, you can click on it here, and it'll tell you, okay, this build is this. What you currently have, and if you go to the builds, this is the wizard that we have running, and that is the newest one here. So you can go on there and do an install, and that'll do a fresh install of that. So let's see here what else is new. So that's pretty much it right now. Like I said, it has been updated. The TV shows too, the widget here, Uranus, and you can kind of go through there and click on those. Placenta, 24/7 TV shows, Maverick TV, Triangulum, Maverick TV box set, Genesis Reborn seems to be working okay, Monster Munch TV. So there you have it, some more options. Like I said, we do keep up with all the add-ons, but the way we are going to be doing things pretty soon is just focus on one add-on. That'll be our add-on. That way we have more control of it, what goes on there, how it plays, etc. And that way it's less of a hassle to be pulling everyone's other sources. So it'll be something that'll be built from scratch. But like I said, it takes time in accordance with what everything else we have going on. So if you guys have any questions, comments, be sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, because YouTube does not, for some reason, something's going on with their algorithm where it doesn't show it anymore, or not as much. I noticed that on some of the channels that I do follow. So like I said, be sure to like, subscribe, and until next time, happy streaming.